Karma Guy here, and if you're looking for a rugged yet refined pickup, this 2017 Nissan Titan XD Crew Cab SL is ready for you. With 28 dealer service records, you know this truck has been well cared for, and it's backed by our dealer-certified pre-owned program. This Titan XD comes with a 3-month or 3,000-mile quality plus warranty, and at the time of sale, you can also add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. Want even more peace of mind? Ask about upgrading to our lifetime warranty at the time of purchase. We take pride in our cars, which is why we offer a pre-purchase inspection for extra reassurance. When you see the dealer service history and the way this truck has been maintained, you'll know it's built to last. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void this truck being sold as a certified pre-owned vehicle with the warranty and service plan intact. Remember, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Stop by today and make this Titan XD yours.